Let's talk laundry. For the longest time, I had the wrong laundry hamper. The ones that are cloth are great for dry or clean clothes, but if you're putting dirty clothes in the laundry, you need the breathable baskets, the ones with the holes. I used to have a wicker basket just thinking it looked cute, but I realized everything spills into here. You have to be able to wipe this out. One of the best things I ever did to simplify my laundry routine was stop folding clothes. To make it even easier, grab a basket for each child or person in your family, and then take the clothes directly out of the dryer and put them into each person's basket. Drop off the basket in each person's room and have them either fold it or just simply put the clothes away. I recommend keeping a pack of baby wipes in your laundry room. Because the baby wipes are damp, they are absolutely perfect for cleaning off grime from your washing machine. The wipes also come in handy for cleaning up any laundry detergent spills. I love using an over-the-door shoe organizer caddy for socks without a pair. After about a week, if I have not found a pair to a sock, I will go ahead and either repurpose it or throw it away. I do laundry every single day. I have heard people have a laundry day, one day a week. There is absolutely no right or wrong. You do laundry every day like me, or you somebody who does it one day a week. These mesh bags are for socks. So what I've done is I've just taken a black Sharpie and written everybody's name on a bag. Then I just bought these little hooks on Target and I snipped a little hole in the back of each bag so that they can hang up. These are on Amazon. When you have dirty socks, you just come and put them in the bag. Once the bag is about halfway full, I will zip it up and toss it directly into the washer. So one tip I have is to just use half the recommended amount of soap. It goes a lot farther than you think. To toss a dry towel in with wet clothing, this really helps speed up the drying process. Another one of my favorite hacks is to toss an ice cube in with clothes that you want to de-wrinkle. Sometimes the de-wrinkle settings on your dryer can actually make the clothes really wet, and sometimes that just causes more of a headache. One of my favorite tips comes from Dana K. White. This is for short girls out there. I'm only 5'3", and so I have a hard time reaching the washer drum. Grab a pair of salad tongs and pick away at those socks. Take some tin foil and wad it up into a ball that can fit inside your fist, and once it gets tumbling around your dryer, it does reduce in size. Having these in my dryer helped dry the clothes so much faster, reduced static, and they were so quiet. Writing with a dry erase marker on your dryer door what you do not want to put and shrink in your dryer is a really easy way to help remind yourself, and it just wipes right off. This next hack has to be my absolute favorite. You just take a straightener like you would straighten your hair with, and you are actually going to use this to iron out the collars on collared shirts. This works so beautifully. It creates the perfect crisp collar. As you can see, this side is a little bit more wrinkled. I did try this on a couple of different materials and it worked beautifully on both. The straightener is literally the perfect size. It did not burn the fabric at all. This one is hands down my favorite. Okay, I had a pair of pants that got mildewy. I think I might have left them in the washer and they just smelled so bad, to the point where I was actually going to throw them away because no matter what I did, I could not get the smell out. But I tried this hack and it was awesome. You're gonna put 1 cup of straight vinegar into your washer and run it. Then you're gonna take on the second cycle a half a cup of baking soda. Run the cycle like normal and the smell should be completely gone. If you like to use unscented detergents, but you do want your clothes smelling fresh, go ahead and add several drops of your favorite essential oil to the rinse cycle of your load. I tried this on a couple different loads of laundry, and each time my clothes came out smelling super sweet. Recently, my dryer was having trouble getting clothes completely dry, so I looked down inside this little lint trap area and I noticed there was so much lint down there. So I pulled my vacuum upstairs and I used one of the attachments to try and suck up all the lint. It was not long enough. So what you're gonna do is take a paper towel roll and attach it to the attachment. This is so flexible that you can actually push it all the way down in there and you can suck up all of that dirt and lint, which just makes your dryer so much safer. This next hack is for hanging up sweaters that you don't want to stretch out or get indents in the shoulder. You're going to fold it in half and then point the hook side right in the armpit. And you're gonna fold over the body of the sweater and then crisscross the arms, and it just drapes so beautifully and does not pull. I love hacks and tips. I think they make life easier. I love using them, but let's get real. This is what my laundry room used to look like. My laundry used to be out of control all the time. If this is you, you're sitting there nodding your head and you're like, what do I do? You're gonna start with towels and underwear because you can't go without these. Go through your house, gather absolutely everything up and start there. Whether this takes a week or a day, it doesn't matter. You're going to then, after you've washed everything and not even necessarily folded everything, you're going to cut your laundry in half, not get rid of it, store it in some kind of storage containers under your bed, in the basement, in the attic garage, just in case you need them later. But of course, feel free to actually haul things off to the donation center. Another tip I have is to create an inspiring laundry room. This does not have to cost a lot of money. In fact, just cleaning the laundry room, scrubbing it out a little bit, getting a couple bins, lighting a candle makes you more motivated to do your laundry. I just know this from experience. I took my laundry room from what you saw before to this in a matter of hours. So if you're just really struggling, drowning in laundry, the tips are great, but you've got to start by reducing the inventory. Hopefully today's tips were helpful. I have another video on the screen. I will see you over there. Bye.